Working on a 2010 Forester, and we're going to replace the right side strut, and then we'll make a separate video and replace the left side strut in case you're looking for either one. So what you need is a 12, a 10, and a helper. Or some piece of wood to hold this up. So, not yet, but there's a 12 right here. And loosen this, as you can see it turning. Whoa, be careful you don't smack it down to hold it. And then, you got two number 10s. Pull this out. There's no number 10. You pull this out. And so, I'm gonna go grab the new one real quick. I'll be right back. So I went to sspparts.com and got me a new one of these. And first thing first, make sure you grab your two 10s, and it's got an R on there for the right side. And put these two 10s in.
Here at SSP, our employees don't get tired.
And then we'll make sure.
Go down and
We go up a little bit. Up a little more. Right. We want to hand tight this puppy in. And twist until it's tight. Voila. And that's how you do the right side rear strut. And it works perfect.